What's going on, everybody? Happy Monday. Don't mind the suit. I actually just had an online interview. So, for those of you watching, wish me luck. Today, I actually tried shorting Alibaba, coming out with a loss of $4,000. The bulls have definitely been running the market lately. And so, today I'm going to discuss my loss, show you guys what I did wrong, and kind of discuss how I plan on trading the market this upcoming week. So, stay tuned. Day traded Alibaba today as I thought that it had topped out and expected to see this thing have a nice pullback. Unfortunately, I actually ended up getting a little spooked here and selling my position right around this area, seeing as I picked up my position around here towards the low of the day. And so I don't think that my analysis was wrong. I do expect this to sell off. However, I just didn't want to be holding that position overnight because Chinese stocks have definitely been very volatile, and if any type of news comes out about some progression in the trade war, I definitely don't want to, be shorting the stock and then have this thing just take off and have me lose a majority of my investment. So let's go ahead and look at the 360-day 2-hour chart. Why did I think this thing had topped out? So as you can see here, kind of forming a head and shoulders pattern here. As we can see, the shoulders are right here. And so it's kind of, creating this inverse effect, as I've previously discussed in other videos, where you can see a double bottom here, and then this push up here, this sell off here. So sell off, and then inverse. Pushing up, selling off, pushing up, selling off, pushing up. So I expected this level of resistance to, push this thing back down a little bit. And like I said, I still think my technical analysis was right. I do think that this thing is going to sell off. But like I said, just didn't want to hold after hours. And the reason that we saw support here is because this was the previous low 2 days ago. So holding that support, if this thing breaks below this tomorrow, I'm definitely going to try to go long on this. And we'll go short on this, and try to take advantage of this sell-off that I think is well overdue. So like I said, taking a loss of $4,000 today. Let's go ahead and look at my Robinhood right now. I bought 35 contracts at $2.13, a total of $7,455. Another 20 contracts at $2.30, another 10 contracts at 1.9, and then another 10 contracts at 1.6. So total investment for the trade was $15,555, and then getting rid of these shares at picking up another 1,600 actually here at 1.6. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. So getting rid of these shares, getting rid of these contracts at $1.46, $1.49. Total principal left upon selling those contracts was $11,000.25. So total loss of $4,530 on this trade. However, like I said, it's obviously never great to have a loser, but you don't want to bag hold, which means hold a losing position in hopes of it going your way. So, like I said, I got a little spooked during the intraday moves, seeing as it was finding support here. We have seen that the bulls have been definitely the drivers of this market lately, and so I didn't want to be holding this thing overnight and have some good news come out overnight and then push the stock up. So I went ahead, got rid of my shares around this area here. And like I said, if I do see a break of that support tomorrow, I'll go ahead and start shorting this again. I do think that the short will only last momentarily. I think this is just a momentary pullback. As we can see here, during the sell-off a couple of months ago, this purple simple moving average was acting as a form of resistance. And so I think that we're seeing inverse price action here. So we will see that this purple simple moving average will act as a level of support. And so, like I said, getting rid of my shares, hoping to short this thing tomorrow. Still very interested in Chinese stocks. I know that the American stock market, that the US stock market has been doing incredibly well, especially its tech stocks. As we can see, the FANG has been absolutely killing it after earnings. Apple taking off, Facebook doing incredibly well as well. We're going to just let this chart load. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. But like I said, I know that the US stock has actually been doing really well too. So definitely going to start looking at the FANGs again. I know tech's doing well, so I'm going to try to see if I could buy at a pullback, and if I can see that there's level of support as these stocks do keep climbing up. There's a chart. As you can see, Facebook taking off after earnings. And so yeah, going to be keeping a close eye on these. The bulls are definitely the drivers of the market right now. So shorting a stock is definitely a little bit risky. I am just trying to take advantage of those small pullbacks because, you know, these massive push-ups, these massive drives up aren't sustainable. You know, people eventually want to lock in those profits, and they're going to sell their stocks, their shares, and so that's what's going to drive the price down momentarily. And so trying to take advantage of that sell-off and then hopefully buy back at the dip. I will keep you guys posted on my upcoming trades. This will probably be a slower week for me, seeing as I have midterms coming up, so I'll be a little bit preoccupied with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wish you guys the very best of luck if you are trading the market right now, and I will see you guys in the next one.